In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create and use the Facebook avatars. So these are brand new and I'm going to show you how you can get them and make one for yourself. So you want to open Facebook on your iOS or Android device. You'll then go to the settings and right there you'll see more. Click on it and it will launch all of these new features. You can click on avatars right there and it's then going to start creating your avatar. So you can click on next, so you can personalize your avatar with hairstyles, outfits and more. So click on next, and first of all you would have to select your skin tone to get started. So I'm going to select mine. It's probably close to this one right there. Then click on next. You can choose any of these hairstyles. It just depends on which one you have, of course. So right now I'm going to go to short and I'm just going to go with this one right there. Next up, you can choose the color. So choose the color from your hair. You can use green, blue, pink, purple. They have cool colors on here. Now I'm just going to leave it with this. Now next up, you can choose your face shape. So you can see where this is going. You can basically customize all of this so that you can make it look like you. So change the eyes. So I'll leave all of this up to you guys. I mean, by now we all know that you can customize all of this. So I'm just going to skip through this and there we go. So this is fine. You can just keep customizing your avatar. And this is pretty much how you can make your own avatar on Facebook. Now you can also choose a body shape. So choose one of these. Then you can also choose an outfit. So choose any of these outfits. You can then pretty much customize all of this, but this is pretty much how you can create your own avatar. And this is pretty much how you can do this. So it's a new way to be you on Facebook and Messenger. If you click on next, you will actually start using that avatar. Now, if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like. Let me know in the comments down below if it works and if you're going to use it, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.